Okay, honestly, there are two reasons why I wanted to share a review for this film. Number one, the overall topic that it covers of alcohol addiction. Number two, Jaisurya. Hi everyone, welcome to I Just Reacted Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well today. And yes, guys, I finally got my hands on the latest Malayalam release. Not really latest, it released a couple of weeks back. And yes, do not ask me how I got this film. But yes, I wanted to get my hands on this movie for quite some time because the trailer really intrigued me. And I don't know, Jaisurya's performance in the trailer looked so intense, and the fact that it was based on a true story, I was super duper interested to watch this movie since the start. And when I had asked in my community tab for those who had watched this film that how it was, I got a lot of mixed reviews. Some said it was good, some said it was bad, a lot of you said it was average. So I really wanted to check it out for myself. So did I like the film or not? Well, yes and no. So yeah, we'll get into the detailed analysis now. Now, this movie is based on the real life events of the entrepreneur Murli Kunnumpurath, who is the owner of the brand Waterman Tiles. The movie shows his journey of being an alcoholic and how he struggles with this addiction, and how in his journey he overcomes this addiction and gets his life back on track. So yes, for me on paper this is a fantastic story, and I feel that it is a story that should reach to the public. So yes, there is no issue with the storyline. The issue is the execution of the storyline. The unfortunate thing about this film is that it is brilliant in parts, just in parts, and not as an overall entity. I honestly felt that so much could have been shown in the 2.5 hour runtime about the struggles, the real struggles of how difficult it is to overcome alcoholism. That entire storyline part where he's actually recovering and actually trying to get hold of his life just passes by in a jiffy. His life, his entire struggle till the point he actually decides to get treatment to get over this addiction, I felt personally was dragged out a little bit more. And I absolutely understand that it is important to show that the struggle this person is having with the addiction. But when you have shown so much of struggle and when you're showing the recovery just like that, the impact is not that much. And that's where I felt a little bit disappointed, because I feel that the recovery part was not given as much importance. The movie is directed by Prajesh Sen, and he has also co-written the script for this film. Now, firstly, coming to the writing, it is absolutely brilliant in parts, and that's the problem. It is brilliant only in parts and not as a whole, and that is why I think it failed to keep me hooked throughout the run of the film. Now, of course, I can talk about the negative aspects and all of that, but honestly, personally, I want to show and highlight this film's positive side, because I think that this topic of alcohol addiction and how to overcome it, and the fact that this is a true story and somebody actually overcame this thing and is doing so good in life, I think it is a very important topic and important story to share with the world. So yes, even though I did find the writing and the direction to be average, it's not that bad of a film, and I think it is an important movie to watch. The biggest positive highlight of the writing is how each and every character of this film has been written. When it comes to direction, I am telling you, Prajesh Sen has just fully utilized the potential of this gem of an actor, Jaisurya. You can completely sense when you watch the film that the director is trying everything to make the audience feel Murli's pain and struggle. And he sort of succeeds in doing that also, but I think he failed in completely grabbing my attention 100% and keeping me hooked throughout the run of the film. The score of this film is done by Bijibal, and throughout the major run of the film, the score has a very sad, melancholic undertone, which of course makes sense. The songs of this film, I wouldn't say are exceptionally good, but there is this one song where Murli's daughter, she's singing that song in the school. It's like a prayer. I really like that particular track. Now, I personally wanted to give a shout out to the makeup department here. Now, when I was going through the credits, I found two makeup artists' name mentioned, Libin Mohanan and Kiran Raj. Now, I think, and this is just my guess because I was looking at the credits in IMDb, that Kiran Raj was mentioned as the personal makeup artist. So, I am guessing that Jayasuriya's overall look and makeup was done by Kiran Raj. And if that's the case, I absolutely want to credit it because Jayasuriya's overall look and makeup in this film is just fantastic. Now, the edit is done by Bijit Bala, and I'm honestly not aware of his works, but yes, I do have a problem with the edit of this film. Now, for me as an audience, a good edit means if the movie is able to hold my attention or not. And in this case, it was not able to do so in many parts. I did feel that some of the scenes were not necessary to put in because at that point of time, I knew the pain and the struggle that Murli was facing internally. I feel for me, there is a very fine line between putting scenes to set context and putting scenes just to extend that particular scene. You know, an example that comes in my mind is Iyo Binte Pustakam. Now, for that film, there are so many scenes, so many things happening in the film before the actual story starts, but that feels like no, a context is being set. Here in this case, it doesn't give me that feeling. And that is the only thing that I personally felt while watching the film. Now, before I move on to the performances, I actually wanted to, talk a little bit about this overall topic that this movie highlights, alcohol addiction. Now, one of the major things why I was telling you that I want to, portray this movie to you in a positive light because not many movies on this topic gets made, and alcohol addiction is a very, very real problem. And the fact that this movie is trying to convey to the audience through the real life story that this is a disease and it can be treated. This is a movie which I feel a lot of people will find relatable, who want to seek help, who are suffering from this problem, and who are sort of directionless and feel that we are forever being tabooed by the society that, oh, this person is a drunkard, so iska to kuch nahi ho sakta, he's like this hopeless person. This movie is like this one glimmer of hope that no, see, there is a real life example of this person going from one extreme to another extreme. I think at the day and age where mindless stories and movies make a business of 100+ crores, a movie like this, even if it's not perfect, I think is important for the audiences to watch. Now let's come to the performances. This is an out and out Jayasuriya's film, and there's nothing to take away from the performances of the supporting cast, but of course, this is Murli's story and it is completely his journey that we witness throughout the movie. And Jayasuriya has just knocked it out of the park. Like, just your mind is gonna get blown away. His acting in this movie is perfection personified. I actually took notice of Jayasuriya when I had watched Iyo Binte Pustakam. I mean, there he was so good in that negative role, but here I've actually understood the acting range of this guy. There is not a single flaw in his performance. There is absolutely zero flaws in his performance. It was on fire. The rest of the supporting cast, Samyukta Menon as his wife Sunita, then the doctor which helps Murli recover, played by Siddiqui. Both of them had prominent roles and I think they did a very, very good job. But like I said before, this is absolutely out and out Jayasuriya's film. I'm honestly waiting for its official release in one of the major OTT platforms, and I hope more and more people watch this film. As an ending note, I want to applaud the real Mr. Murli. His journey is so inspiring and I want to congratulate him for overcoming all his struggles and come out of the other end so successful. There's this wonderful dialogue in the film that an insult is your biggest investment. Like, the people who have been insulted the most have become the most successful in life. And that's so true, right? Because the people who have been insulted so much over and over again, they develop a very thick skin. But yeah, it can go both ways. Either you take the insult in a positive way and build an empire, or you basically become a villain. So yes, those were my thoughts on the latest 2021 Malayalam release, Vellam. I hope you have enjoyed this review and have come till the end of the video. Do share in your thoughts, your positives and negatives about this film. I would love to read those in the comments. And yes, I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.